See, this is what children do on their spare time. They dance in the rain and just do some weird music. I mean, stuff. Julian, please get out the rain. Just observe how these young men are just dancing. It is just too hilarious. And it's freezing cold. The wind is going, and they decide to stop dancing.
Get the bag on.
The bag is flying. Do you see? I don't think the people on YouTube can see the rain, but it is raining here in Austin, Texas, and there's Julian. This is the team and their families. I'm in the process of learning the team's name. Back to the children dancing. They're getting crunk over there.
In the rain, y'all.
Do you see this craziness? Like, oh my God.
In the rain.